Another day of cat fights, guys. Live with this every day. In the morning, sitting at my desk, and they go at it. Damn, she latched onto his face. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Good morning. Did you like it? Huh? You like the soy milk? No? You don't like it, do you? No. Bleh. Nom, 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 nom. Nah. Nah. Doing? You coming outside? Huh? You scared? Can come out. Zelda. What you gonna go kill?
She's not really into killing things yet.
She isn't.
She'll chase bugs.
It's because she hadn't been outside much.
I have been letting her go outside every night.
I'm kidding, honey.
Quit being mean to me. This fish tacos gave me indigestion.